Guys, it's Twin Pro Beast 1 and we're here in Swim in Slime. So the only reason I changed my avatar is so I can look like a headless horseman now. Yeah, so let me get up. Swim in Slime. Yeah, there's a pool. I really want to go on this. Let me go. No, never mind. Let's try this. Wait. Yeah. Let me try going. Nope, not working. Where did I get that phone from? I think it's from the Roblox. No, never mind. Aha! Whoop! They have said that there is something under this that we have to find, boys. So today we're gonna see how to find that right now. Get up! Okay, I'm gonna start from the edges. I love Roblox because it lets you see your own shadows. I'm gonna start from the edge. Surfboard. Whoa! This is my surfboard. Give me my surfboard! Oh no. Gimme. Gimme! No, I don't think it's possible to ride this surfboard, my friend. Huh. Put it in the graveyard. Oh, there's another one. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Let's go. So, I bet it's more on the under. So, okay, this is gonna take a while actually. I'll keep my beach ball if someone comes and plays with me. It's gonna take a while actually. You can go up so slow. Okay, I came to the other side. Yeah, this is not gonna work out well. How about someone knows? Nope, it's just a high. Just a high. Nothing. Wait a minute. Wasn't I just... Wait, what? Did I just come where I was? That's a waste of time. Wait, you can see a little bit of the under right there? Oh, right. Wait, why can't I go under? Yeah, see, you can see the base plate, and then it goes. Gonna keep on doing that. Yeah. Nothing. Okay, that's something. Nothing. Go down. Okay. Don't see anything just yet. Like, it's slime, it is harder to find. Okay, I think I should go up and find where I am. Don't you think? Yeah, I don't know where I am. Okay. Yeah, the good part is it's not like ocean. Not too far. Yeah, I went really far. Just by swimming. I love doing this. Okay. Should I just start from the beginning? Like, this is hard. It's not easy. Let's follow this guy. Hello? What? Do something. Where'd he go? Whoa. Dude, I thought this was actually real people. I think that... No. This cannot be the secret thing that they were talking... No, it cannot. Dude, look at these guys. These are dead people. Ugh. No, I just like... Dude, this is actually fun to do. Dude, I can't believe this big alien could be a secret thing with bodies. Like, seriously, dude? Should I believe this is a secret thing? Like, thanks whoever was standing here. Who was it? You can go up when you're jumping faster? That's new. Who was it? Come here. Let me show people. Come here. Wait, actually, I never tried that one. So, swimming slime. No, but that's water. That's... What are these two doing? I think you can call people. So I'm gonna call the person that was with me. Actually, nope, I can't touch the 8. So I'm gonna put 1, 5. I'm just calling random. No, I'm not calling anyone. Just want to check this one out. Everyone's just calling everyone. That's fun actually. Wait, let me go back there. Yeah, you can see it. You know what I meant? But the swimming slime, it's slime, so it's actually hard to see. But dude, we found it in just like, that was like 6 minutes. That was not good. It's just like, dude, this is fun. Sorry, I can't. Dude, you go up when you're swimming for some reason, and you press the jump, you go faster. But I'm just gonna try sleeping. No, sleep. Wait, let me try that again. Whoa, dude, if you touch the alien, you die. That is great. Can I do it? No, it didn't work out well. Not well. So let's take a selfie with the aliens. Wait, where did it go? Uh-oh. Yeah, let's take a selfie and a picture. My mistake. My big mistake. Okay, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. We found the secret alien! Well, I think it was disgusting to see the bodies over there, but it was good. And thanks to whoever that was, because he just showed me where it was. And then you find other people's names. So yeah, we had a party with the alien, but we died in the ending either way. That is actually fun.